Looking for a storage solution that's sleek, sturdy, and seriously spacious? Meet the Yizosh Metal Garage Storage Cabinet, the ultimate way to organize your tools, files, gym gear, and more in 2025. Standing tall at 71 inches, this durable cabinet is built from reinforced heavy-duty cold-rolled steel with a hole-in-one welded frame, giving each shelf the strength to hold up to 180 pounds. That means your heaviest gear, from power tools to stacks of files, is safe and secure without wobbling. Speaking of shelves, the Yizosh comes with 5 adjustable shelves, totally customizable so you can create the storage layout that fits your exact needs. Whether it's bulky boxes, cleaning supplies, or valuables, you decide how to organize it. For extra security, it's equipped with lockable double doors and a high-grade locking system, complete with 2 keys, so your important documents or expensive tools are protected. The doors open a full 180 degrees, making it easy to reach everything without struggling. The powder-coated black finish is not only modern and stylish, but also scratch-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean. So it looks great in your office, garage, home, gym, or even a school setting. Assembly? No worries. The package includes clear instructions, and the knockdown structure makes it easy to put together without fuss. And here's the best part, you don't need to spend a fortune. The Yizosh Metal Storage Cabinet is only $144, making it a premium upgrade that's also budget-friendly. If you're ready to declutter and level up your organization in 2025, grab yours now at the link in the description or pinned comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart deals and home upgrades.